Ever wonder why we yawn? Well, as it turns out, it's more than just being tired. Let's break it down. Firstly, yawning helps cool our brains by taking in more oxygen. Yep, your brain actually gets a little warm when it's working hard, and yawning helps cool it off. When you yawn, you're basically giving your brain a quick refresh. A mental reset, if you will.
Why does seeing someone else yawn make you yawn too? Well, it's contagious. Researchers think it's linked to empathy. Seeing someone yawn triggers a response in your brain, as if you're feeling their tiredness.
Animals do it too. Lions, dogs, even chimps yawn to communicate and bond, and be sure to like and sub. I'm literally riding a fucking lion.